Here's the new Mini X. Smaller cab?
About the same. Might be a little less legroom.
50G John Deere. Is this equivalent to a 305 or a 308? All shiny. Nobody's been in it. I think looks like a smaller cab to me. New toy. Now we just got to sell the old one, which we're going to probably put up for sale today, I'm assuming. It's been on Facebook Marketplace for a little while, but we're going to end up putting it up on an auction site. Maybe we'll sell a little bit quicker, but So brand new 50G John Deere excavator. That's stick out, stick in, rotate left, rotate right, stick up, stick down, stick up, stick down, curl in, curl out. This is blade, up and down, and then pitch left and right. And then rotate the boom, it's in this pedal right here. Rotate the boom to the left, rotate the boom to the right. And then you can lock it out by putting this down on top of it. Fast and slow, so it tracks forward and backwards. We have fast and slow here. And I'm going backwards away from my blade, so I'm pulling the sticks to the back. Pretty cool. Brand new John Deere 50G. That's Rabbit. About twice as fast. Well, today's been quite the easy day. Just, it's what, 4 o'clock right now? Just ran home and got the dog. Get to love my Pam Pam. And I'm gonna go run over to Kubota. We're trying to sell our Kubota tractor. So I need a price on how much it would be to put a loader on it, because everyone keeps asking it. So I ran home and got the puppy. Huh, Pam Pam? Can Pam Pam sing? Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. So it's about the end of the day. Wait for Ashley to get off work. Wasn't a very busy day. Went and picked up the new John Deere Mini X, which is about the same size as a Caterpillar 305. It's called a 50G. So I'll be posting a video of it as well. Kind of cool. It's nice to be able to be in a brand spanking new machine. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the time on the computer and the internet and doing stuff. The channel grew to like 819 subscribers, so not too far away from hitting 1,000. I'm real anxious to get there so I can get monetized and try and make a little bit of money off of it. It's never going to be too terribly much, but it's going to be enough to help probably pay for groceries for the month, you know, which is like $500, which is getting ridiculous. It's 150 bucks a week right now, and we're being thrifty. So I'm getting tired of having to pay that much for everything. But here's the Kubota dealer right here. We'll get a price figured out and pay Pam Pam. Oh boy. Then computer work, dinner, and off to bed.